Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is April 25th, 2025, and we're taking a look at the QQQ, analyzing both the latest news and the chart data. Recent headlines indicate a mixed market environment. Alphabet, Google's parent company, reported blowout earnings, leading to a surge in its stock price. However, Trump's comments about potentially imposing tariffs as high as 50% on foreign imports is dampening risk appetite. Intel's earnings were also released, showing better than expected results, while also warning about a potential recession. These contrasting forces are creating volatility in the market. Let's delve into the charts to see how these events are reflected in QQQ's price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that QQQ has experienced significant ups and downs over the past several months. Let's zoom in on the recent price action to understand the short-term trends. We can see a peak near 538 in mid-December 2024. The news of potential tariffs could lead to a retest of lower support levels in the coming days. Key support to watch is around 450. A break below this level could signal a further downward move. If the market can shrug off tariff concerns and focus on positive earnings from companies like Alphabet, we might see a rally towards the 470 level. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can get a more granular view of recent price movements. We see some volatility, with some sharp downward moves being bought up quickly. Let's look at the 15-minute chart to see intraday trading signals. On the 15-minute chart, intraday traders should watch for breakouts above 468, which could signal a bullish move, but watch out for selling pressure. Conversely, a break below 460 could indicate further downside. For long-term investors, these short-term fluctuations might present buying opportunities if the overall market sentiment remains positive. In summary, important price levels to keep an eye on are 450 as a major support and 470 as a significant resistance. A break below 450 is a 60% probability if Trump tariff comments persist and no good news appears soon. If earnings beat expectations and trade tensions ease, a rally to 470 has a 40% likelihood in the near term. Remember to monitor news related to trade negotiations and earnings releases to better gauge market sentiment. The overall trend seems to be to retest resistance levels, but that requires good news. Always manage your risk and trade responsibly.